getting into your toy yet?
No, I'm surrender now. Sorry?
Is it happy?
It's neutral.
To be racing against the Koenigsegg 1-to-1 megacar.
This is the setup for Volvo Trucks' new online film, Volvo Trucks vs Koenigsegg, set at the Swedish racing circuit Ring Knutstorp. But the Volvo FH isn't up against just any sports car, it's a Koenigsegg 1-to-1, the first series-produced car in the world with a 1-to-1 power-to-weight ratio. The truck, on the other hand, is built for long-haul driving on highways, so the rules of the game had to be set accordingly. 2 laps for the Koenigsegg, 1 for the truck.
It was a challenge because
5 kilometers an hour on the straight and almost nudging 130, which is pretty unique for a normal long-haulage truck.
Oh, he's not coming through there! Oh,
In the end, the Volvo FH did put up a really good fight, even though the Koenigsegg 1-to-1 still edged by to win.